Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how to get out of silver. Now, silver is the average rank in Valorant. So if you, there was a study done which spoke about what the average rank of a Valorant is, and it was determined that silver is the average rank. So being silver is nothing to be ashamed of, obviously. But still, I understand many people want to get out of silver, and this is basically for them. So if you want to get out of silver, what should you do? Play the game, learn the game, make lineups. You know, for example, I play chamber a lot. Now, if I was silver and I wanted to only play chamber, that wouldn't really work. Why would it not work? Because chamber is the type of agent that needs to get a lot of kills, basically. Yeah, I know many people will argue chamber is a sentinel who's not supposed to get kills and all that, but that's the thing. Chamber is the only sentinel that does not have any sentinel ability. Most of the ability chamber has is, gunfight. So if you do want to get out of silver, basically this rank right here, there's 3 ranks right here. If you want to get out of silver, you have to play the game a lot, and you'll have to improve yourself. I've made some previous video on how to improve your aim, how to get better at Valorant. Check those videos out, those will help you a lot. But basically follow those, get better at the game, because yeah, you're stuck in silver for a reason, and that's because you're not better at the game. You're not gold yet, just because you need to still improve. It sounds harsh, but that's a harsh reality. The truth is always ugly. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video informative, drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.